Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene. For those of you who are new, welcome, and for those of you who've been with me for a while, thank you for coming back for another video. Today I am going to do a full face of makeup using only E.L.F products. In my recent video I showed my E.L.F Cosmetics haul. I purchased some products from E.L.F and I did an unboxing basically. I got some really good stuff which I'm really excited to try. Some of the products are new to me and some of them I've tried before in one way or the other. So I am super excited. I have nothing on at the moment. So I'm gonna get started by doing a color match first before I start with my primer. If you saw the video, you know that I purchased two separate shades of foundation because I wasn't sure which one matched me. So here I have the cocoa, which I think will be perfect, and I also have the cinnamon, which is also pretty close. Right off the bat, this has a pump, which is amazing. So I will do my color match just about like on my neckline right here to make sure that everything is nice and cohesive. So I will go in with my first swatch and I will start with cocoa. Cocoa might be a little dark. Oh, okay. So this is cocoa. I kind of went in heavy. Cocoa matches my chest pretty well. And then let us try cinnamon. Cinnamon is a little more gold. For today, I will go in with cocoa because that's what we have going on. I will start off with the Poreless Putty Primer right here. And I bought this one. This is new to me. So this is feeling good on the skin. To continue with the theme of E.L.F products, today we are using the stipple brush to add this foundation. And like I said, I'm going in with cocoa. For the concealer, I'm using the E.L.F Camo Concealer. I've been using this recently. I really do enjoy it. It was not part of my haul. I don't know how I'm feeling about this, y'all. But the concealer has more coverage than the foundation. How? Concealer is the bomb. If you haven't tried this, I fully recommend this concealer. The jury's still out on the foundation. I don't know. I don't know if you guys have seen the difference, but the concealer already made this look better. Because I was not having much hope for the base, but now I'm feeling a little better. Get you some Camo Concealer, y'all. It's so good. So good. I'm just gonna go ahead and set underneath the eye. I'm using the matte setting powder because I'm very oily, so these little sponges kind of help you be very precise right underneath the eye. I did get the cream blush palette and I showed you guys in my unboxing as well. I love this. I want to go with something a little dark. Ooh, girly. Be very gentle when you put this on. I am gonna go in with the same sponge and dab. Ooh, dab some of that. The color is intense. This is nice. Ooh, I am feeling the cream blush. Do you guys see that? That is pretty. I will repeat the same thing on this side. I mean, honestly, I feel like I can go really heavy and it would be okay. Who else likes blush? Because I love it. It instantly made my skin and my cheeks look plump. I am here for it. I'm just using the bottom part of the sponge and just going in. This is nice. All right, so that, I love the cream blush. I'm using this color right here and setting the cream blush. Kind of like that. Bringing it upwards. That is nice. I will just speed up this process. Okay guys, this is it for the brows. I'm super excited about the eyes, y'all. So I don't have an eye primer by E.L.F, so I'm gonna go in with my oldie but goodie. If you guys have been looking at my videos, you know what it is. And I will just go in and prime it and get it ready. So from my unboxing, if you saw the video, you saw that I got a mini palette, which is the bite-size pumpkin pie palette. And I also got the Opposites Attract palette with 18 shades with a blend of cool, neutral, and bold colors. So I'm going to play with that. I'm not going to use any other palette but that. And then see what I come up with. Since I already have this going on, I am gonna do a neutral eye, I believe. So first, I will go in with this brown shade as my all over shade from the mini palette right here. And just buff that color in all over the lid. Always tap off the excess. This just kind of just lays the foundation. It lays the foundation for everything else that you are going to apply. I want something a little more intense, so I'm gonna go in with this warm shade in the Opposites Attract palette right here. It says warm. But so far, I love the warm shade, and it's a matte shade and it's applying pretty well. I'm really working the warm shade into the crease right here. And I'm gonna use Spicy from this palette right here. I'm gonna use the Spicy shade. This is giving me life. Love it. So just by itself, the color is not standing out too much. It might work better with my finger. Let's try that. So with my finger, it's a little bit more vibrant, but not extremely vibrant. I'm spraying the brush with a little bit of setting spray. And I'm gonna go back in the Spicy shade. See if that makes a difference. I'm kind of feathering out the gold a little bit. This is nice. I'm gonna use a flat brush and use that same warm shade underneath the eye. So if you feel like there's like a little bit of unevenness, you can just go back and blend it. Make sure that there are no harsh lines. like that. Now this is the contour palette that came with the collection. I have no hope for it, but I am going to try it. So I'll use this powder brush and just kind of go in right here. But it is adding some color though. I can see it, especially here. Okay, actually it's not bad at all. Not too bad. The true test is to check it on the nose. Let's see. Okay, it is good. Verdict is in. It's fine, y'all. I just like chocolate so much that the darker the better for me personally, but it is not bad. I had very little hope, but it is not bad, y'all. Not bad. These are my Mink 3D lashes by Ms. Lash.
I'm in love with them.
So I also got the E.L.F by Nabella Noor, and this will be my highlight. I'm using the E.L.F blush brush, and I'm gonna try to go in real light because she is beaming. But if we control the application, it could be beautiful. Ooh, yeah. This highlight did not come to play. I had never used a loose highlighter like this before, but I am loving it. With that highlight. Yes. It's such a finely milled highlight. It goes on beautifully. I'm gonna go in with one of the lipsticks that I got. So when I did the unboxing, I did not show some of the satin lipsticks that I got. I'm gonna try one of these. I'll insert a picture here so you guys can see. I like the packaging. It's so minimalist, like very cute, and the bullet looks like that. So I'm gonna use my Jordana lip liner. Here we go. So far it's feeling very satiny soft. This one was taffy. It's a little more pink than I was expecting, so I'm gonna go in with cherry on top, just to mute it down. Just a little bit. Alright guys, this is the final look using only E.L.F products. I love how it turned out. We have a lot going on, but I am loving it. And the eyes are pretty. You would think that I used a high-end palette for it, and I didn't. The Opposites Attract palette is definitely a hit for me. I'm gonna keep using it. The Cocoa foundation, this is the Flawless Finish foundation. It looks okay. The final product looks fine, so I liked it. But I don't think that this one is my perfect match still. So the hunt continues. I'm gonna gift a friend of mine the cinnamon because it did not work for me. So I did not love this product as much. The highlight, love the highlight. The highlight is a hit. It goes on very powerful, but you can really manipulate it to tone it down how you want it to look. So I am loving that. What else? The contour palette was an actual surprise because while it's not a severe contour, it does give you some definition. So I actually like this, especially for the nose. It really shaped that up perfectly. The cream blush is definitely a hit. Loved that. Which one to go? I really love the cream blush. It is fire, very pigmented, but you can tone it down to your liking. The lipsticks, they are very satiny. They go on gently and they look good. I think there will be a lot of transfer with that, so you might want to walk with it in your purse, and you just have to reapply for throughout the day. I feel like. What else did I use? The brushes I've used before, they're okay. They apply the foundation and the shadows pretty well. I have no complaints there. The under eye setting powder actually worked pretty well, so I really like that. The putty primer, I feel like didn't do much for my skin because up close I can definitely see my pores, like they are there. But you know, from a distance, you cannot really tell. I'm not super crazy about this product, but I will keep using it obviously, but I don't think it made a difference. The foundation and the polish primer, not a go for me. Everything else I really truly enjoyed for the most part. But that is it. Thank you as always for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.